Did you know there's a village in Europe where no one has been born or died for over a century? They call it Wallenmoor, a tiny village tucked deep in the fog-covered mountains. In 1923, the last recorded death was an old woman named Alara. Since then, nothing. No funerals, no graves, no births. Doctors who visit find no patients. Priests report empty churches, yet the candles keep burning. Locals say the people there simply stopped aging. Visitors describe faces frozen in faint smiles, eyes that never blink long enough. Every night, the same bells toll for no one. And if you try to leave, you'll find the road curves back, leading to the same square, the same faces still watching. They say Alara's dying wish was that her home never fade from time. And maybe it didn't. Maybe it's time itself that died there instead. Some villages fade away, others refuse to let go.